Whoa! There we go. Hey, puppies. Any of you know what floor this is? I'm trying to get back to my apartment. I've been lost for days. It's not all bad, though. I don't like to brag, but I did find half a cheese puff here yesterday. How come you guys don't have collars on? Are you lost? If you need help, you are definitely talking to the wrong guy. You should go find Max and Duke. They always help me when I'm lost. Now, if I can only remember where they live. Keep sniffing around and you'll find them. This elevator is taking forever. Oh, Alex, I gotta fix that.
What are you puppies staring at?
Whoa!
Oh, hey, Pigeon.
Are you okay?
What? What do you mean?
You seem like you need help.
No, I do not need help. No, Pigeon, stop. So, I do not need
Let me sexy.
Agreed.
Whoa, Chloe! Look how fluffy it is. Look at those cute little expressions on their faces. Aww.
Great GMS.
My name is Gidget, and this here is...
Nobody, do not learn my name. We will not be friends.
She's kidding. No. Come on, Chloe. We can't just ignore them. They probably... Oh, a fly. That's got my focus. Hey, fly. Do you need any help? Hey, little dude. I'm here for you. Where are you going?
Dogs. Well, it looks like that's your cue to leave. Anyway, I'd say it's been great, but, you know, who are we kidding?
Daisy, you a fluffy genius.
Puppies. Man, you would not believe the things I've seen up here. Did you know there's a woman in 7J who sings in her sleep? She could be on TV. I mean, if she wasn't so bad at singing. Alright, I'm gonna go see what's going on next door. There's a bunny rabbit who thinks he's a superhero. Can you imagine?
I'll go first. Mine's about a dog who's bitten by a squirrel, and he starts becoming a were-squirrel. Oh, it's so scary.
Duke, these puppies look super nice, don't get me wrong, but we can't...
Whoa, whoa!
I'm gonna win.
Oh, this is too stressful. Can't we play biscuit checkers or tic-tac-bone? Oh, Max, look, more puppies are coming in. On the floor, under the rug. Get creative with it. Because remember, owners love finding your poop. They collected little plastic bags.
Why?
Who knows? They're nuts. Well, that's it. In our next video,
much longer this lair is going to continue to be a secret. But before we... Hey, man, what is that noise? Hey, you in the back. No chewing the furniture. See, this is the kind of thing that won't get you adopted. People do not like to have their stuff chewed. Listen and learn, puppies. Look, we got to find you guys a family while you're still puppies. We got a ticket clock, and you're not getting in the queue. Luckily for you puppies, there's an adoption event happening right now at the pet store just a few blocks away. So we gotta hurry. Adoption day is almost over.
You're all gonna die! Oh man, here we go! I'm so excited. My whole body is sweating. We're talking a full body.
See the arms and legs inside the bed. Once again, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle.
You can go home now. You officially see it all.
Hurry up, guys! Don't have much time. It's the pet store closing.
Don't hear what you let go.
Follow me, guys. I've yet to lose a single pup. But I know it.
Don't be jealous. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech drones. Come on! Go down to the dark alley. Don't worry. They'll remind you my buddy senses were born.
Oh, God, this is what it's meant.
Check out the whole thing. Yeah, it's flying. This is cat time, you filthy monster. Oh, you filthy monster.
Okay, good one, guys.
Oh, trespassing in my eyes.
Oh my
These rocket launchers next door twice as fast.
We made it! Was there any doubt? I mean, honestly, there should be. This plan was crazy. It shouldn't have worked.
This is gonna be great! You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time. Ooh, you guys are not gonna get adopted looking like that. That means you're gonna get
You're next.
What do you say? You want to come home with us?
Yes! I want!
That's all I do. You're welcome.
Ooh, what fun! Let's all do it again.
Welcome